friends, it's Cheryl, Sig the Solo Cruiser, and welcome to Mindset Monday. Now today, I want to talk about something that can take the joy right out of cruising and solo cruising, if you're not careful, and that's keeping up with the Joneses. Now, it's easy to scroll the internet and see people showing off their suites, their luxury cruises, their extravagant vacations, and you start thinking, I want to do that too. But here's the truth. You don't know what's going on behind the scenes. Maybe the person that's in that suite didn't even pay for it. Maybe it's comp. Or worse, maybe they're in debt up to their eyeballs, swiping credit cards or even taking out loans. Or maybe they're making it work by working 3 jobs. Or maybe they were fortunate enough to inherit money, have a trust fund, or even just a big savings account. Maybe they've built a great life for themselves and it's something that they can afford. The point is, you don't know their story. Now, what you know and what you can control is your own situation. Take care of you first, your bills, your savings, your retirement. Then decide what cruise experience fits comfortably into your budget. And if that means booking an inside cabin instead of a suite, do it, because guess what? You're still on the same ship and sailing to the same ports and making the same memories. The difference is you'll walk off the ship with joy and freedom, not financial stress and regret. But also, here's the thing. If you do want to cruise in that upgraded experience one day, you absolutely can. Just don't go into debt for it. Instead, plan for it, budget for it, save toward it. That way, when you finally book that suite or luxury sailing, you'll enjoy it fully without the shadow of financial stress. Instant gratification isn't worth the debt. Planning makes it even sweeter. Your cruise should never leave you with a mound of debt. It should leave you with a heart full of experiences and stories to tell. So don't worry about what someone else can or can't afford or how they got there. Focus on what works for you, your pockets, and your journey. So here's my Mindset Monday takeaway. Don't cruise to keep up with the Joneses. Cruise to create memories that matter, and do it in a way that protects your peace, your finances, and your future. The best cabin is the one that you can afford without stress. And the upgraded one, well, that will be waiting when you're ready. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one way that you save money on your cruises? Or a time when you chose what was right for you instead of following what everyone else was doing? Drop it in the comments so we can learn from each other. And if this spoke to you, I hope that you will give it a like and subscribe for more walks and talks on cruising, mindset, and solo travel.
I'm Sig the Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.